Replacing light bulbs with more efficient and longer-lasting LED options is an easy energy-saving installation. Having recessed lighting in your home can enhance the ambiance. We will show you how to make the switch from traditional recessed light bulbs to an LED conversion kit. Before beginning, switch off the breaker that controls the power for the recessed light fixtures you'll be working on. Remove the light bulb from the housing. Use a voltage test to ensure there isn't electricity running to the socket. Pull the trim down to remove the housing. If it's attached by V-shaped torsion springs, then the housing will work with a LED conversion kit. If your LED recessed light kit comes with different trim options, decide which trim you would like to use. Take your LED conversion kit and connect the bulb socket adapter to the socket in the ceiling. Then attach your LED light to the socket adapter. Then slide the bracket arms into the housing. Push upward until the LED light unit clicks into place and the trim is flush with the ceiling. Then finish installing the rest of your LED lights using the same steps. When the LED units are installed, turn the power back on the breaker. Now that you successfully replaced a recessed light with LEDs, you can update your light fixtures like a pro. Here's a list of tools and materials you'll need. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.